Hello students, today let us start with our GK lesson, new GK lesson, means of transport. Means of transport are of three types: land, water, air. Land, water, air. First one we have land transport. Land transport is the movement of people, animals and goods from one location to another. The two main forms of land transports are rail transport and road transport. So here we have rail transport and road. Bus, cars, scooter, van, all these are road transport. Also train is an road transport. So here we have water transport. Water transport is the process of transport such as boat, ship or a small boat over a body of water such as canal, lake or sea. Land transport means which the vehicles go on the land. Water transport means which the transport goes on water. So here we have air transport. Air transport is a form of travel in vehicles such as helicopter, hot air balloons and aeroplanes. Use of air transport has greatly increased between the mid-1980s and in the year 2000. So we have air transport, aeroplane, helicopter. So these transports are on the air. So it flies in the air. So here we have land transport, water transport and air transport. So let us do our exercises. Name the following means of transport. First one, scooter. This is scooter. S-C-O-O-T-E-R, scooter. Here we have a houseboat. Houseboat which goes in water. So here we have H-O-U-S-E-B-O-A-T, houseboat. Here we have hot air balloon which goes in the air. H-O-T-A-R-R-B-A-L-L-O-O-N, hot air balloon. Here we have auto rickshaw. Auto rickshaw. Here we have A-U-T-O-R-I-C-K-S-H-A-W. So let us turn our page. Here are anagrams. Anagrams are new words formed by rearranging the letters of the given words. Read the following words and rearrange the words to make a new word by looking at the given pictures. So here we have a word you have to rearrange. So here picture is given tea. So T-E-A, tea, T-E-A-T. Here we have another word, 10. So you have to do another word, rearrange it. So here we have picture N-E-T, net. This is net. Then we have send, S-E-N-T. So your picture is a nest. So you have to rearrange it. So N-E-S-T, nest. So here we have fourth one, care, C-A-R-E. Here we see picture is here, athletes are running. So it is a race. So R-A-C-E. Then we have fifth one, meet. So this is a team of players, hockey team. Understood? No? Their players are together. So team. T-E-A-M, team. So sixth one, bear, B-A-R-E. So here we have a bear. B-E-A-R. Then we have a seventh one, blow. B-L-O-W. The picture is bowl. B-O-W-L. Bowl. Here we have inch. Eighth one. So here the picture is showing a chin. So C-H-I-N. Chin. So we have to rearrange it according to the picture. Here we have ninth one, could. So here we have the picture of a cloud. C-L-O-U-D, cloud. Then we go to the page 48. Mix bag. Tick the correct option. First one. Which of this is the same as half an hour? So here we have option 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes. So half an hour is considered about 30 minutes. So tick mark here. Then we have here, if A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, C is equal to 3, D 4. So according to the alphabets, it is 23. So T. Then third one. If we arrange the letters of the word computer alphabetically, then which letter will come last? So here we have U will come last. So the fourth one. Beena came to my house the day before yesterday. If today is Monday, then which day did Beena came? So she came on Saturday. So day before yesterday. Fifth one. What is the position of the letter O in the word blackboard? It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th. 7th position. O alphabet. So here we have B. Fill in the missing letters. First one. The spider makes web. Here we have missing S-P-I-D-E-R. Spider makes web. Second one. A dictionary is a book that gives a list of words of a language in alphabetical order and explain what they mean. So here D-I-C-T-I-O-N-A-R-Y, dictionary, which gives us meanings according to the alphabets. Third one. In basketball, only 5 players from each team play in a match. So here basketball. B-A-S-K-E-T-B-A-L-L. Then we have fourth one. A tortoise has a big shell and moves very slowly. T-O-S-T-O-I-S-E. Fifth one. In many countries, the twigs of the neem tree are used for brushing teeth. Some of them use neem branches to brush teeth. Here neem tree. N-E-E-M. Sixth one. Rabindranath Tagore is also known as Gurudev. So G-U-R-U-D-E-V. So here we have answer the following question. First one. The sun sets in the west. Second one. Ali Baba had a brother named Qasim and a clever servant girl named Marjina. Third one. In cricket, one of the on-field umpires are generally referred to as a leg umpire. So here we have a cricket. Fourth one. We hear with our ears. Fifth one. Ketchup is normally made from tomatoes. Tomato sauce are made of tomatoes. Sixth one. In India, Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September, Radha Krishnan's birth anniversary. D. Choose the correct options. A. First one. A cactus or coriander is a spiny plant that grows in hot and dry region. So we have cactus. They grow in dry region, in desert, mostly where places where they are dry. Then second one, in dash, in boxing, wrestling, people fight with each other using fist. So we have boxing. We fight with a fist. Then the third one, the butterfly, grasshopper has large colorful wings. So butterfly. Butterfly has different colors wings. So it is butterfly. Grasshopper is only green in color. Another bird, butterfly has different colors wings. Fourth one, we smell with our nose. Answer the following questions. Which part of the body does a dentist treat? Teeth. Second one, what is the national animal of India? Tiger. What is a book with maps of places around the world known as atlas? Fourth one, in computer, what is the full form of CPU? Central Processing Unit. Fifth one, which musical instrument is called bansuri in Hindi? Flute. 6. What is the national river of India? Ganga. Which insect has colorful wings? Butterfly. 8th one, in which country are the primates? Which country are the pyramids of Giza located? Egypt. So let us turn our page to 50. Indoor and outdoor games. Categorize this sports as outdoor or indoor sports and match with their equipment. So here we have, first one is basketball, outdoor game which are played outside on the ground. So we have basketball. The second one, table tennis. This game can be played inside the house or inside the hall, inside the stadium. Here tennis, table tennis. So table tennis is. Third one, cricket. It is an outdoor game. You have to play on the ground. So cricket. Then we have fourth one, hockey. Hockey is also outdoor game which is played outside on the ground. So it is hockey. Then carom board. It is an indoor game. We play inside the house or inside a hall. So carom. Then we have chess, indoor game. So we play inside the house, indoor game. So we have basketball, outdoor game, table tennis, indoor game, cricket, outdoor, hockey, outdoor, carom board, indoor, and chess, indoor. So students, complete these exercises on your GK textbook. And worksheet I will give you later on the WhatsApp. So complete your book, complete your GK book. Whatever teacher has done these exercises, you also have to complete on your textbook, GK textbook. So I have come from page 44 to 50. So complete your exercises on GK textbook. So bye and study well and be safe.